Njera-inĩ ĩno ya Thika, Thomas Mutune arakoretwo ari mugeni wayo kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka 3 thutha wa gũthamĩrio kuo kuuma kamĩtĩ kũrĩa aratungatagĩra kĩoho gĩake kuuma rĩrĩa aikirio ngono mwaka-inĩ wa 2012 rĩrĩa anyitĩkanire na ndawa cia kũrebia kĩharo-inĩ kĩa ndege kĩa JKIA agĩthitangwo agĩcirithio na kĩoho mĩaka 30.
Thomas Mutune is a family man. He was married before he was arrested. He has 2 children. This is my story. I was just a young man like any other. I was quite young by then. I was in my 30s when I got into bad company and I got into the drugs business. I was arrested in the year 2012 at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport.
Ede Mutune ni ahotire gucokia cira riko na igoti rikĩmũnyihanyihiria kĩoho nginyagia mĩaka 10 kĩoho kĩrĩa rĩu arĩkĩtie gũtũmĩkĩra.
I went to community maximum prison. In committee, I found good people. I found a home. I found some solace. I found an opportunity, and in there I've gotten to learn some things. An opportunity given me by the Kenya Prison Service. I came here, and Kenya Prison Service took me as one of their family members. Ari njera-inĩ ĩno ya Thika, Mutune ni anyitanire na gĩkundi gĩa kĩmabũrũri kĩrĩa kĩrutagĩra gũthomithia oho njera-inĩ kĩa Justice Defenders, na haha niho oire kanya ga gũthomera watho university-inĩ ũmwe kũrĩa arathomagĩra nenda-inĩ ararĩkia na agakorwo akĩhumbwo thũmbĩ mweri-inĩ ũkĩte wa 11.
A majority of those behind bars are not, we can call them semi-literates. They are not so much well educated, and so they are not well versed with the matters of law. So we ensure that we educate them about the kind of offenses they have been accused of.
Oho arunake hamwe na maofitha a njera makiuga Mutune akoretwo ari mundu wa itĩo na gukorwo ari kĩonereria kĩega.
Was resisted through petition to the High Court of Kenya. Through his conduct, because of his conduct. He's well-reformed prisoners. He has a 10th degree in law and various courses also in prison. That's why the High Court decided to release him from custody to go and serve the rest of the sentences as a probationer.
It was his time to be in prison.
Ino ni ceceni ya Inoro TV Thika na niĩ njĩtagwo Moses Ngige.